Hello friends, Rakshabandhan is just around the corner. In today's video, I'm sharing handmade Rakhi ideas. Hope you like our video. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. The first one we're making is a foam Rakhi. This one is very simple and great for little kids. All you need to do is cut out a few shapes from different colors of foam and make some fun characters. I'm going to cut out 2 circles from yellow foam paper. So we have 2 circles ready. Now we just need to cut a few triangles, size small and big. Now I'm just going to glue these orange triangles right on the yellow circle. So I'm creating a smiley sun face here. Now take another circle and glue on top of it. So I'm going to make a sunglasses using black foam paper to glue it on top of the sun face. Now I'm making a smiley face. You can use a marker or a foam paper. Now take a ribbon and glue the sun on top of it. Your beautiful Rakhi is ready. So how does it look? Pretty cute, right? We're making another cute design, so you will need yellow foam paper and orange foam paper. Just cut out 2 circles from there, some googly eyes, some black marker, scissors, and glue. Start by gluing the yellow foam paper on top of the orange. Now take your scissor and cut a few stripes out just to make the lion's mane, only in the orange part. So cut out 2 yellow triangles for making the lion's ears and glue them on. Now glue 2 googly eyes and a nose. Use black Sharpie to make his mouth. Here our cute lion Rakhi is ready. Look at these very beautiful cute designs. This is another beautiful idea using colored cardstock paper. You can use glitter paper too. Here you need to cut 2 circles, one big and one small, and 2 rectangles. First I'm going to glue this blue circle on the silver one to make it a layer look. Now take your small rectangles and create small fans. So I created 2 small fans and I'm going to fold them once and glue them from there. So take your cute mini fan and glue it on top of your Rakhi. I'm adding one gemstone here so that we can cover the center point. So I'm using this string to make a braid. If you have some gemstones, you can add it on the sides to make it look pretty. See how beautiful it turned out. Now let's make a peacock one. This is very beautiful and very easy to make. So you will need blue, yellow, and green paper, scissors, and glue. So we're making the peacock feather first. So just cut out the size of the peacock feather you want, and then we'll use that to make a Rakhi. So cut out the green a little smaller than the blue. Same way, cut the yellow a little smaller than the green too. Now I'm gonna glue them on top of each other, like the green one on top of the blue one and the yellow one on the top of the green one. Same way, we are making 5 more. So we're going to glue them. Now let's give it a feather kind of shape. Now that we got the feathers, let's draw a peacock shape, and then we'll need to cut it out. I also cut out this circle shape. I'm going to glue these feathers all around it in one side. Now take your peacock cutout and glue it on top of it. Using black Sharpie and googly eyes, you can make eyes, and you can stick it onto a ribbon. So this is how our peacock Rakhi looks like. You can use any marker. I'm using a golden color marker to make extra designs on it. We decorated it with a design, and now it looks really pretty. Next Rakhi we're making is using beads and thread. Take your thread and make a knot so that the beads will stay in place. So first add 3 green beads, then after that 3 blue beads, then 1 yellow. So this is how it'll turn out whenever we're done. Just take this, put it in through here. Now tie another knot right on the edge and your beads Rakhi is ready. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.